Okay, so this is a little demo on how I get people to be kinder to themselves. Often people need to themselves externalizing so they can see maybe they're being a bit mean to themselves. A lot of us do it. So April, can I borrow your chain?
Sure.
Give it here. So sometimes I use scarves or jackets. Just everyone's hot today, so we have no scarves or jackets on.
Well, we do have a chain.
Okay. How is it for me to be you?
Weird.
Bit weird. It's like,
weird.
Okay, stand behind me if you don't mind.
Okay.
Just stand up and step behind me.
Okay.
And talk to me like you talk to yourself when you're not being kind to yourself, because I know you told me that's a problem, and I can take it. If it's not too much, your choice is over, right? But what do you tell yourself? What kind of what words do you use?
Why the fuck do you do that? What are you doing? This is why people don't like you.
Keep going.
Okay.
Give me the worst shit you got.
You're a fat, ugly cow, and everyone's going to leave you, and you're going to die alone.
Great. All right. Close your eyes.
Okay.
Put your chain back on.
Okay.
I know you're laughing, but there's a deep sadness there, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah. What might be a kinder way to talk to yourself?
You're doing your best.
You're doing your best.
Yeah.
Given the fucked up weird childhood that you had.
How'd you know?
I had one too.
Yeah.
You're doing your best.
Yeah.
Just give me some other messages for this nice chain wearing human. Is this okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Sure?
Yeah.
What else?
People do actually like me.
People do actually like you? Can we confirm anyone likes this human? Okay, we call that social proof in marketing. Okay, what else? What else could you say?
That I'm more capable than I give myself credit for. And that I've proven it a few times.
Great. What's more true than what you just said? Because this is all true so far. Even more true than what you said before when I was wearing the chain.
I don't know.
Like you're trying your best, you're good enough. Yeah. What's the most true thing you could say in this situation? Like even when you're fucked up.
I'm okay.
You're okay. Yeah?
Yeah, I'm okay.
All right. How would you tell a friend they're okay? Even if they had a fucked up childhood and they have difficult things. Would you be like, you're okay?
No, I wouldn't say you're okay. I would say you're amazing. Like you're a beautiful person. I would use lots of language. I love adjectives. I would tell them how wonderful they are.
Hit it. Can I borrow this again? Sorry, I'm being you again, all right? I hope you don't mind. All right, so just for the camera, she doesn't normally have a chain. This is just her style, okay? We didn't like put a chain on her. So I want some fucking adjectives. Big me up.
Okay.
How do you sit?
How do I sit?
This is how you sit.
That's not how I sit.
How do you sit? Okay, big me up. Give me some adjectives.
Okay. You are surprisingly kind.
And say April at the end, because that's my name.
Oh, okay.
You can do it. Breathe.
You are kind.
April.
April. You are...
Keep breathing. I promise you won't die.
You're really loving. You really care about people.
April.
And
One more. I'll stop torturing you. One more.
You've built a really beautiful life.
You built a beautiful life.
April.
Can we thank Aprils?
That's my job.
That's yours.
That's my job.
All right.